Potential customers always ask us, how much do your systems cost? And honestly, we can't answer that. The cost is really dependent upon what your vision inspection needs are. Do you need hardware and software? Do you need automation? Do you need a turnkey system or a retrofit? Integro does not provide an off-the-shelf solution because each manufacturing facility has specific needs and requirements. Some even have government-regulated specifications. Every assembly line and quality inspection need is different. Each team may require a different user interface or user accessibility. Every customer's need is unique. Let's discuss what your inspection needs are in detail, as well as your budget requirements, so we may provide you with the most accurate quote we can. Contact Integro Technologies today